The North Face Malaysia Mountain Trail Festival. 100 km Ultra Trail Challenge Route Flyby. Powered by Suunto. The race starts at Esplanade Taiping at 3 a.m. on the 19th of November 2022. The course maximum altitude is 1,381 meters. Longest descent is 1,280 meters and longest descent is 1,380 meters. The terrain ratio for this race is 70% trail and 30% road. There will be 10 checkpoints for this course. The cutoff time for 100 km Ultra Trail Challenge is 32 hours. The North Face Malaysia Mountain Trail Festival's 100 km Ultra Trail Challenge is part of Asia Trailmaster (ATM) Championship Series points race and UTMB Index race. All the best and see you at the starting line.